Our final project is shown how Ktor is work. Ktor in Android Studio. Learning Plan. 1. Understanding Ktor basics. 2. Setting up Ktor in Android project. 3. Making first network request with Ktor. 4. Handling data with serialization. 5. Advanced Ktor concepts, optional. Understanding Ktor basics. Kotlin native. It's built from the ground up in Kotlin, so it feels very natural to use if you're already developing in Kotlin. This means you can leverage Kotlin's coroutines for asynchronous operations, making your network calls non-blocking and efficient without complex callbacks. Asynchronous. Think of it like this. If your app was waiting for a server response without being asynchronous, it would freeze until the data arrived. Ktor, with its use of coroutines, allows your app to keep running smoothly while it waits for network responses in the background. No more frozen UIs. Flexible. Ktor is designed to be very modular. You only include the parts you need, which keeps your app size down. Create new project. It also supports various engines, the underlying technology that actually sends the network requests, and features, like JSON serialization or logging, that you can plug in. Dependency setup. Dependency with latest version copy and paste. Check my description. Give internet permission in manifest. In main activity, add an HTTP client instance with the Android engine so that you could make network calls. Then prepare a mutable live data of string variable to store the network response. Name it response live data. Within the surface composable, obtain the response state from response live data by calling observe as state with a default value of an empty string. Here not working because we did not declare dependency. We will do it later. Introduce a fetch content function at the end of main activity, which returns a string. Make sure it's a suspend function. Inside the function, call HTTP clients get function with a link. Call body as text to obtain the result as a string and return the string. Check description for JSON file. Within the surface composable, obtain the response state from response live data by calling observe_as_state with a default value of an empty string. To fix error, go to the Gradle and set up live data dependency. In the button composable, update the onClick lambda. Launch a coroutine in the lifecycle scope. In it, obtain a response from fetch content and assign it to a variable named response. Still within the coroutine, switch to the main thread by calling runOnUIThread so that you could update the user interface. In the block, assign the response obtained in last step to response_live_edita's value field. After the button composable, add a text composable and set its text to the response state value as a string to present the current value of the response state to the user. Now all is okay. Let's run. After reloading, we can see the final project of JSON. List. Thanks for watching.